7 powerful ways to detox your skin naturally at home. Get clear, glowing skin fast. Did you know your skin absorbs toxins every single day? From pollution and harsh chemicals to the buildup of dead skin cells, your skin is constantly under attack. If you've been struggling with dullness, breakouts, or uneven texture, it might be time for a natural skin detox. And the best part? You don't need expensive spa treatments or chemical-filled skincare products. In this video, we'll reveal the most effective, all-natural ways to detox your skin right at home, using simple ingredients and techniques that work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to flush out toxins, unclog your pores, and get that fresh, glowing skin you deserve. So stick around because tip number 5 is a total game changer. Ready to transform your skin naturally? Let's dive in. Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest skincare tips, health and beauty hacks. And if you're excited to give your skin a fresh start, drop a like in the comments below. Our skin is the largest organ in the body and acts as a natural barrier against toxins, dirt, and pollutants. But over time, impurities build up, leading to acne, dullness, inflammation, and premature aging. Here's the truth. Your skin detoxes itself naturally through sweat, oil production, and cell turnover. But when it's overloaded with toxins, whether from processed foods, pollution, or harsh skincare products, it struggles to function properly. That's when you start noticing clogged pores, breakouts, and a lack of radiance. But here's the good news. You can help your skin detox faster and more effectively by adopting a few simple natural practices. And today we're breaking down the best at-home remedies to cleanse your skin from the inside out. A quick disclaimer. The tips in this video are based on natural skincare practices, but always do a patch test before trying new ingredients, and consult a dermatologist if you have sensitive skin or underlying conditions. 7 natural ways to detox your skin at home. 1. Stay hydrated and flush out toxins. Water is the ultimate detoxifier, and your skin depends on it. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins, keeps your skin cells plump, and prevents dryness and irritation. When your body lacks water, your skin compensates by producing more oil, which can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. To supercharge your hydration, try drinking at least 8 glasses of water per day and incorporate detoxifying drinks like lemon water, green tea, or coconut water. These contain antioxidants and natural enzymes that help remove impurities from your skin. If plain water feels boring, add slices of cucumber, mint, or citrus fruits to make it more refreshing and beneficial. Remember, hydrated skin is happy skin, and the more water you drink, the more radiant your complexion will look. 2. Eat skin-cleansing foods. You are what you eat, and your skin is a direct reflection of your diet. If you're constantly eating processed foods, sugar, and dairy, your skin might struggle with breakouts, inflammation, and dullness. Instead, fuel your body with whole, nutrient-rich foods that promote skin detoxification. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins and purify the blood. Berries, citrus fruits, and bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, which supports collagen production and fights free radicals. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds help reduce inflammation and keep your skin barrier strong. The more you nourish your body from the inside out, the clearer, brighter, and healthier your skin will become. 3. DIY detox face mask. Nothing beats a good face mask when it comes to drawing out deep-seated impurities and refreshing your skin. A natural detox mask can unclog pores, reduce excess oil, and balance your skin without the harsh chemicals found in store-bought products. One of the best at-home remedies is bentonite clay mixed with apple cider vinegar or aloe vera gel. Bentonite clay works like a magnet to pull out dirt, toxins, and bacteria, while apple cider vinegar helps balance your skin's pH and fight acne-causing bacteria. Aloe vera soothes inflammation and keeps your skin hydrated. Apply the mask for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use it once or twice a week for a refreshed, clearer complexion. After masking, always follow up with a gentle moisturizer to keep your skin balanced and glowing. 4. Steam your face to open pores. Facial steaming is a powerful yet often overlooked method to detox your skin naturally. When you expose your skin to warm steam, it helps open up your pores, loosen dirt and oil buildup, and promote better blood circulation. This allows your skin to release toxins more effectively while absorbing nutrients from skincare products better. To do a facial steam at home, boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and add detoxifying ingredients like chamomile, green tea, or a few drops of essential oils. Then, drape a towel over your head and let the steam work its magic for 5-10 minutes. After steaming, gently pat your skin dry and apply a toner or a hydrating serum to lock in the benefits. Regular steaming can improve your skin's texture, reduce blackheads, and give you a natural glow. 5. Detox baths for glowing skin. Your skin doesn't just detox through your face, it also eliminates toxins through sweat and your pores. A relaxing detox bath is an amazing way to cleanse your skin while also relieving stress and muscle tension. Adding ingredients like Epsom salt, baking soda, activated charcoal, or essential oils to your bathwater helps draw out impurities while nourishing your skin. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation, while baking soda helps balance your skin's pH and remove dead skin cells. Soaking in a warm bath for 20-30 minutes can leave your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and deeply cleansed. Plus, taking time to relax and unwind is just as important for your skin as the products you use, because stress can lead to breakouts and premature aging. 6. Exfoliate gently with natural scrubs. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells, unclogging pores, and allowing your skin to breathe. But not all exfoliators are created equal. Harsh scrubs with synthetic microbeads can actually damage your skin barrier and cause irritation. Instead, opt for natural exfoliants like coffee grounds, oatmeal, sugar, or finely ground sea salt. These ingredients gently buff away dead skin while also delivering nutrients and antioxidants. For an easy DIY scrub, mix coffee grounds with honey or coconut oil for a hydrating and detoxifying treatment. Use gentle circular motions and exfoliate 1-2 times a week to keep your skin smooth, glowing, and free from buildup. Over-exfoliating can strip your skin of natural oils, so always follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to maintain balance. 7. Get enough sleep and manage stress. If you're constantly stressed or sleep-deprived, your skin will show it. Lack of sleep leads to dullness, dark circles, and breakouts, while chronic stress triggers inflammation and accelerates aging. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, producing new skin cells and boosting collagen levels. To maximize your skin's overnight detox process, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine by avoiding screens before bed, drinking herbal tea, and using a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent breakouts. Managing stress is just as important. Practicing meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help lower cortisol levels, which in turn reduces acne and redness. The better you sleep and manage stress, the healthier and more radiant your skin will look. And there you have it. 7 simple, all-natural ways to detox your skin at home and bring back that fresh, healthy glow. Which of these tips are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest skincare tips, health and beauty secrets. Until next time, take care of your skin, stay glowing, and we'll see you in the next video.